Welcome back, guys, here at Western Skies again. This will probably be the last time I'm here for this year anyway. I'm gonna try to work this big pile of cobbles that I didn't get to. Sun's coming up, still got some shade to work in, so I'm gonna try to get on it. Trying to get this all leveled up. It's looking pretty good right there. Here's the pile I'm gonna dig out today. I worked this a while back. This is that spot that comes off. This is that heavy cobble pile. I've already done 6 buckets of this stuff. Just trying to clear out behind the dry washer here for the big rocks that are gonna fall there. But I will set the camera back up and we'll get back to showing you guys some more here. Hello? Hey, this morning we discussed that I was gonna go to the claim that nobody can find me at. So what's the problem here? What are you calling me for? Hold on one second. Let me find my pesky moonshine jug. I forgot it right here. Hold on while I take a little snort, okay? I've been out digging gold all day. Yeah, that's where I've been. Trying to hide out from every single living person on the face of the earth.
Did you find any gold?
Oh, I found some gold.
You did?
Ah, dame todo el ahorro y la plata, todo el mundo. The gnats are like driving me into the craziness. I can't even hardly take them anymore. I don't even know how I'm gonna sleep at night, thinking that they laid their larva on me and it's gonna fester into a huge blister and there'll be a larva living inside my skin. And the cactus out here is just brutal and it's everywhere. I've got it all over my shoes. I'm gonna spend all night getting all this cactus out of my freaking shoulder, my leg, my foot. Oh, it's been a great trip. You know what they say about trying to get sympathy from a woman? That's about as useful as a glass hammer. So you might as well just give up on all that and get your ass back to work. So anyway, time to get out of here. I've wiped this out. This was a huge pile this morning. I've got it all knocked out. Found kind of a little pay streak kind of right in there, so I dug that out extra far. So I'll get my shit together. I gotta come back over here at some point and bring the metal detector and go through all these piles. Man, I got 2-3 days of metal detector work up here on all of these tailings piles. So whew, been a ton of work. 18 buttons. It's 36 buckets. Good day. Knocked that out in about, I don't know, 6 hours or so. I'm gonna get all my stuff and get out of here, and we will talk to all you guys later. Another great day out here, Western Skies. Like I always say, living the dream, one nightmare at a time. 36 buckets. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get this stuff ran in the sluice when I get home. We'll see what our haul is. All right, we're back. Same day. I'm going to start running these cons. All right, so that's good. That was the first concentrates. Of course, that was the tail end of the dry washer. I vacuumed up the first 5 riffles, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with the clean out because I'm gonna show you panning this out. So I'll be back here in just a sec for the second sluice. Here's the stuff I vacuumed out of the riffle. First 5 riffles. This ought to be where all the gold's at. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up. I'll throw this thing on fast forward, and then we'll get to panning. This. Alrighty, that's done. Get this one cleaned out, and I'll get this puppy panned out. We'll see what's in there. These are the concentrates that I did not vacuum out, so just the regular cons. But all right, let me get on this. That's what I found in the pan. That's a little bit more than what I would like. That's supposed to be, there's not really supposed to be anything down in there. But, you know, hey, I'll take it. I'll get this snuffered up, and then we'll get to running the other stuff in the sluice, the super cons, and I'll get that panned out. Be back, guys. See what happens here. I will put it on fast forward, and we'll see you guys here at the end. GoPro conked out. I dumped the snuffer in there already on that other little batch that I had, so this is the final. Guys, damn good day. 38 buckets, 36 buckets I worked today. Goldpan wasn't there, she was at work, but still had a hell of a day. I will see you guys at the scale. All right, guys, so we're back for the final weigh-in. Got some stickers in from some guys out there. A3 Sky Warrior sent me one. GS Prospecting, Garage Prospecting, Big Texas, Indiana Creek. So appreciate that, guys, sending me those stickers. There were 3 pickers in here. The first one, 0.9. Oh wow, 0.9. I have a tripod for this, but I just haven't used it, so it's kind of hard to do this. Here's the tiny little one, 0.5 on the picker scale. We'll throw these in here. Wish me luck, I do not spill this stuff trying to pour it in. Total for today's haul, 0.65. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm happy with that. I'll live with that. Any day you can bring home some gold is a good day. I was hoping for more, of course, but no big deal. Guys, questions, comments, need help with something, want to know about New Mexico prospecting, the clubs you can join over here, or anything, you can email me at goldpansuntan@gmail.com. Guys, it was a great day. Thank you for joining along with this adventure. There'll be more to come. Have a great night, guys. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.